Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OnlyFans creator account, manage subscribers step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for OnlyFans. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button located in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your OnlyFans creator account. Next, type in your password in the designated field. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid login issues. After verifying your information, click the login button at the bottom. Wait for the page to refresh, which means you are being authenticated. Once logged in, you will be directed to your OnlyFans dashboard. If you want to upload new content, simply go to the Content section. Here, you can create posts, set pricing, and manage existing content. Be sure to explore all options available in your dashboard for optimal management. When you're done managing your account, remember to log out for security. To log out, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select the Log Out option from the drop-down menu. This will securely end your OnlyFans session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.